my channel, Budget for Success. Woo! I'm so glad you're here because today you see it in front of you. We are going to keep the change. So let's get started. Shawoom! All right, I have my Keep the Change Savings Challenge book, and this is just one of the Keep the Change Savings Challenge just that I am doing, right? I'm also doing one with Fiona's book. So this one is a smaller amount, so we're going to move this out the way. And I want to show you, you can pick this up in my Etsy or my coffee shop. And so let's see, we're going to finish this one. So we needed 45 cents plus, let's do this. We need 45 cents plus 10 cents plus 30 cents. Now this money I have saved. When I go to the store and they give me change, I bring it back. It's $3.30. $3.30 because I already saved these amount. So we need $3.30. So we got $3 and we got 30 cents. So we are now finished this cute little kitten, and I have a little thing back here for the ones. Okay, so I can cross off all of these cute little kittens. I put this in a sleeve, that way I can reuse it because I still have a lot of change, y'all, that I need to save. But we did this, we finished $5. All right, now we're going over to this one where Bunny and the ladybug are exercising. And so, let's see, we got a lot we still need to save in this one. Oh, you know what? Let's do it the fun way. So let's do 75 cents instead of adding it up. 75 cents, 50 cents, 10 cents, 35 cents, $1, 45 cents. Let's do it the fun way. 80 cents. So we got 50, 60, 70, 80 cents. I know I need to get rid of these pennies. And let's see, 30 cents on the penny. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yes. And then 20 cents. And then a quarter. Yes, yes, yes. And I do need to do some exercising. So we are done. We finished. Yes. All right, now we come over to this one. And this one is us playing games. We play in chess and everything. So here's 50 cents. And we need to save 35 cents. And then another 25 cents. And then 80 cents. So 75, 80 cents. Yes. So we are done. We have finished that one. We got them all covered. Let's see. I wonder if we're going to finish the book. I don't know if we have enough money or not. But we're going to try. All right, moving on. We are still playing. Now we're playing checkers. We're not playing chess anymore. We're playing checkers. All right, so now we need, let's see if I can do this. 10 cents, 20 cents. Let's do this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 35 cents, 30 cents. And 5 cents. All right, there we go. We are finished this page. We are jamming. This is money I've been saving for a while. Every time we go to the store. But see, you get if you use your debit card, you won't get a lot of change. So this is for people who use cash, right? But even if you use your debit card, you're gonna, sometimes somebody will give you some change for something. Save your change. It adds up, guys. If we finish this book, that means we will have $60 in change. And you can't tell me that's not a good save. Because it is. And this money is going with us to France. So we're going to have fun. And now 30 cents, 5 cents, and 45 cents. Woo! my bell. Ring my bell. All right, now we're going to the food. So we're going to have some yummy food. Let's get rid of some of these dollars. So let's see, 50 and 60, and then we need 40 cents. 5 and 35. That's $1. Ta-da! And then let's see, that's 50, and that's it. We could do this 50 and this 50 and this 50 is $1. And then we can do this 80 and this 20 is another $1. And let's see, this with 30 and 45 is 75. Now let me look for a 25. There we go. There we go. There's another $1. All right. And let's see. Here's $1 by itself. All right. And let's go. Now let's go back to the change. But we finished this one, guys. Woo! So these were strawberries. And now we got desserts over here with these cupcakes. So let's do 10 cents. I think we're going to finish this. 35 cents. 45 cents. Just from saving change. We got 75, 80 cents. There we go. Woo! All right, let's put all these ones in here. All right, now we're gonna save, we finished the food, we're gonna save our gold coins. Here's $1 here. Yep, and let's see. Now we got 25 cents, and we got 30 cents, and 45 cents. Can't see my change, can you? Now we need 80 cents. Let's do 80 cents and 20 cents. That's $1. And then 45 cents. Let's do 25, 35, 40, 45. Yes! Woo! We got the superhero ladybug. Uh-oh, more exercise. Here we go, bunny. We doing some exercise. We got 80 cents plus 5 cents. That's 85. And then 85 plus 35 is $1.20. So we're gonna put $1.20. And then we finish. Yes. Ooh, ooh. Yes. 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 $5. No, this is $55. $55. If we finish this, we will have $55. This is $1. Uh-oh, we may not finish this. 75 cents. Realizing how much we have left. We got 30 cents. And we got 45 cents. Actually, I'm gonna finish it. I have more change. 75, 80. In my I have more change. I just didn't want this video to be too long. Yay, we finished. Alright, now here's our coins. This is the last $5 savings challenge. We're gonna finish it. We got 50, we got 75, 30 cents. So let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5 cents, $1. Here's $1. 10 cents. We can do 5, 10. Yes, yes, yes. We got 80 cents. 45, 25, 35, 45. Woo! 25 cents. And then 20 cents. All right, we did it. Woo! We saved $55 in dollars and change. So let's see how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, these are nice ones. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to keep these for my savings challenges. These are nice ones. Anyway, focus, Onyx. Focus. So what I do sometimes is I'll go take money out of my savings challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, I can't do $7. Oh yeah, I could do a $2. No, we're not doing that. Anyway, I'm gonna go find some raggedy ones to change out. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 in ones, which I just take to the bank and deposit. And then this I take to the coin machine. So I'm gonna wait though and fill this up. So what I'm gonna do is I'll erase this and start all over. All right, I won't erase it with this. I'll erase it with alcohol. And I will start saving. So this book saves a total of $55. So we have saved $55 in change. My point is this: if you keep your change, it adds up. If you switch to cash basis, you tend to spend less money. It has been scientifically proven. People who spend cash tend to spend their money differently than when you swipe with your debit card. Although you may have a science utilized with your debit card and that works for you, but I like using cash and then I use the change to save it. Yes, thank you so much for visiting. And if you like this video and you want more fun videos, please come back, like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.